In the next episode of the Septicum Sensen, Dekla will begin a journey that is both emotional and dangerous. Finding out that her sister may still alive will give her hope, but that hope will become too heavy burden. She will have to face the fact that her life has been shaped by lie. The people has trusted did not tell her everything, and now she must decide who is standing beside her and who is only pretending. Erkan will try to become the man Dekla can trust again, but this will not to be easy. His silence has created a wound that cannot to be held with one to apologize, and Dekla will remember that Kadir told her the truth while Erkan hid it. The companion will hurt and Erkan deeply because he will realize that he is losing his place in Dekla's heart, not to because love disappeared, but because trust was broken. Kadir's presence will create a silent storm. He will continuously to spot Dekla, and spot may look dangerous to Erkan, but Dekla will not too dangerous have a time of jealousy. Her mind will be a focused one thing. Finding her sister's emotions are never simple. The more Kadir stand beside her, the more confused situation become. After Ahmadi death, the Aldur family will move from grief into the conflict. Everyone will try to protect their own secret. Iset has made to take serious steps that change his future, while Insi may discover that companion for action are now impossible to escape. The mansion will become a place of hidden tension where every conservation carry to threat. Fairman will continuously his plan, will patience his anger towards Sivan will grow because he believes Sivan battered him to hiding Daria's truth. This anger will not to remain between men. Nilfer will being to drugged into a middle, and her relationship with Sivan will face to painful test. Furman know that attack the heart, and this time he made to love as weapon. Farid will get closer to the answer she has been searching for. As she travels with Tyre, she will slowly again to courage to face her real identity. But closer she gets the truth, more dangerous it become to for everyone connected to her. The next episode will be lost to sisters, broken trust, and fight uncover what was buried.